This is Jinzhong Shanxi Province, China, the paradise of noodles.
鲜肉锅贴 There is an interesting story about the origin of 鲜肉锅贴. Su Qiaosheng from Shiyang is a chef. Once, before returning to his hometown, he cooked 扁食 for the emperor from his hometown. The emperor liked it very much and wanted to eat it the next day. But Su Qiaosheng had already left. The chef used his quick wits to gain wisdom. He fried the rest of the 扁食 and served it up. After tasting it, the emperor felt more delicious and asked the chef what it was. The chef casually said, 锅贴. 锅贴, this delicious food, became popular. 锅贴 seemed to be simple. In fact, the requirements on temperature are extremely high. In the Qing dynasty, Yuan Mei said in his 随园食单, the method of cooking things is the most important. If the fire is weak, the food will be soft and limp as a handkerchief. Only by grasping the most appropriate temperature, 鲜肉锅贴 can be crispy and non-burnt, and the stuffing is juicy and tender.